everyone. So it's been a little bit since I did my last special effects makeup, and since we are a week away from Halloween, sadly it's almost here and gone. Another year. It goes by so quickly. Anyways, tonight I'm going to be doing a quick and easy creepy clown makeup. Something very cheap and simple to do for Halloween. If you're looking for last minute ideas and want to freak everybody out, this would be it. So we're just going to be using our cream paint, face paint for this, and some fake blood and a little bit of eyeshadow, which I'll show you here in a bit. Alright, I'm excited. I'm going to go prep my face and pull back my hair and get ready to get down to business. But before we get started, I'd just like to give a huge shout out and a big thank you to all my supporters. Alright, we are all prepped. I'm trying to get my whole head in here a little bit. Let me try to zoom out a little bit here. I'm used to doing this on my phone and not the camera, so this is my first go at it. I'm going to start off with my white face paint here. Let's see, cream face paint is CC Beauty Clown White. Ooh, I'm holding that the right way, yeah I am. Alright, so I'm just going to take my brush in here and start slapping it on. I'm going to have to grab my mirror. I obviously can't wear my glasses, so it's hard for me to see what I'm doing in the camera. So let me grab my mirror here, and then I'll try to keep it where you all can see what I'm doing. And it's going to be a creepy clown. It's a little bit I've seen better days, so the makeup's not going to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. I don't want it to be perfect because I want him to look a little crazy. So I'm just going to slather this all over. And I'm going to go over my eyes anyways, so it doesn't really matter if I get paint on it or not, but I'm just going to go ahead and go over it anyways. And I did take a glue stick and painted my glued my eyebrows down. So easy to go over and hide them bad boys. Yeah. Lost my nose ring again. Oopsie. Alright. Getting a good little coat on. This stuff is like really inexpensive on Amazon, and it works pretty decent. I'm happy with it. I've used it for a few things. Go over the mouth a little bit. Get the hair in there. Thought I had it all pinned back, but apparently not. It's a good look for me. Look like the old Noxzema commercials. A little cold cream. Go over some more spots here. Might have to get a little close and personal when I have to do the mouth area, because it's going to be kind of hard to hold my mirror and do it at the same time. Alright, I think we got a good little coat there. I'm going to do one coat of the white face paint because, again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It'll look a little crazy. So I'm going to let that dry a little bit and then put some of my translucent setting powder on it. And then we're going to start doing the eyes and the mouth and everything. So be right back. Alright, We now have our face dried and setting powder on. Pretty dry enough. So I'm going to do one eye black and the other one red. So first I am going to take my eyeshadow palette here that I have. And, let me do the red first. So I'm just going to take my red eyeshadow in here. I'm just going to fill in the eye. Again, we don't want it to look perfect. I'm gonna go up to the eyebrow. Oh, that was very loud. Bottom a little bit more. I think we're good there. So we're going to do in the red face paint over it. All right. About to drop my eyeshadow palette. Stay on my lap. Work with me here. Get the black. I'm just going to do the same thing over here. A little bit underneath. It's alright. We'll make that work. I didn't mean to go that far, but it'll work. I actually kind of like it like that. Alright, so we got our eyeshadow applied. So now, let me start off with the red here. Excuse me while I go off camera for a bit. Alright, so I'm just going to take my red, which actually got a little bit of the black in it. Which is okay, because it'll work with it. Anyways, I'm okay with it. And I'm just going to draw a triangle. Very shakily. Over my eye there. I'm going to come down on the bottom and do the same thing. And I'm going to kind of spread it out a little bit because I don't want it to look perfect. Then we're going to fill that in. Find my other brush here. I got so many brushes. Okay, there it is. Get a little thicker brush for that. So I'm just going to paint that in there like that. I really like the color of this red face paint because it looks like blood. It's pretty cool. Alright. It's hard to hold the mirror and try to do this at the same time. Went a little crazy with that. That's fine. Hold the mirror like this for a second. Get all up in this face paint here. There we go. There we go. I'll get a little bit more on the eyelid there. It's funny, that kind of sounds like popcorn Makes you think of old Pennywise there. Background noises, gotta love it. A little bit more under the eye. Mess it over up around the edges there. Alright, so we got our red done. Now, I wanna wipe off this, so I need more brushes. And we're gonna do the black side. Get my little thin brush here. Black face paint. And do the same thing. You can do something totally different too. You don't have to do the same diamond shape on that side. All right, so a little outline there. Take away the brush. Fill in the gaps. All right. Southern on kind of smears out the edges there. I like that. Not a hard line. This clown has seen better days, and that's what we want it to look like. I never understood why people are scared of clowns. Or dolls, for that matter. Oh, too thick there. That's fine. We'll make it work. Alrighty. Should have went smaller on that diamond, but it's okay. Alright, so I'm going to take up a little bit of eyeliner. Once I find it. And go under my bottom lid there. Trying to hide it a little bit more. I'll stab myself in the eye. Alright, so that's a little better. Okay. No, with the mouth. What did I do last time? Let me see here. I don't know if I want to do black lips or if I want to do red. So many decisions. All right, I'll do the red. I'll do red. I have a little bit of black mixed in it, but that's all right. Yeah, it'll work too. All right, so I'm just gonna trace my lips. I kind of want to come down the corners and make it kind of look like a little sad clown. No Bob Ross here. We are sad clowns. We're really not. It's just funny. Happy little trees. Just sad little clowns. up. And it doesn't matter if I fudge it up, we'll make it work. Alright, actually, I should use a thicker brush for this, but I don't need the red nose. A little bit more red on it. Come down a little bit like it's bleeding. There we have it. All right. So now for the black. Let's see here. Take an eyeliner. Use eyeliner for everything. Just kind of trace around it. It's a little silly. Like pretty sad. Alright, so we got that going on. I think we are good here. I'm going to put my final touches on it, which would be a little bit of blood, because we got to make it a little gory, because it's me. Alright, so I'm going to add that in, and I will be right back. Alright, what would a deranged clown be without blood? So I just added a little bit of blood and took my little sponge here and just kind of dabbed it on there to kind of make it look like it's been spattered by something that I might have beaten. But there you have it. There is your deranged clown for Halloween, or just scaring the crap out of somebody. Pretty cheap, pretty fast, and easy to do. Alright, well, if you guys enjoyed this, check out my other special effects makeup videos on my channel. Thank you guys so much for your support, and if you want to join my Patreon or YouTube memberships, all my links are in the descriptions below. Alright guys, until next time, have a wonderful night.